Last night, my roommate Dave decided he was going to impress his new Tinder date with a gourmet home-cooked meal, since he claims he's watched every season of MasterChef, twice. The only mildly strange thing was that he started off by Googling how to boil water, which should have been my first red flag. Within 10 minutes, the kitchen looked like a fog machine exploded at a 90s rave, and I found Dave fanning the smoke alarm with a spatula while yelling, "It's called caramelization." His date walked in just as he tried to flambe the sauce, which only resulted in him flambeing the kitchen towels instead. By the time the fire department showed up, Dave was trying to convince everyone that Well Done Apartment was actually the name of his signature dish. I guess next time, he'll stick to reservations, because the only thing he saw at date was the smoke alarm.